Want stronger legs? Want to build incredible leg strength? Looking for a simple exercise you can do every single day? Then get ready to unleash the power of the lunge. That's right, folks. We're talking about the lunge, a fundamental movement pattern that can transform your lower body. This ain't no joke. Lunges are a game changer. They work wonders for your quads, glutes, and hamstrings. And the best part? You can do them anywhere, anytime with no fancy equipment. Get ready to sculpt those legs, improve your balance, and boost your overall athleticism. Let's dive into the Do Lunges Everyday Challenge and unlock your lower body's true potential. Whether you're at home, in the gym, or outdoors, lunges are versatile and effective. So, what are you waiting for? Start lunging today and feel the difference. We're kicking off the Do Lunges Everyday Challenge for 2024, and I want you to be a part of it. Imagine the sense of accomplishment you'll feel as you mark each day off your calendar. This challenge is all about consistency and simplicity. No need for fancy equipment or gym memberships, just commit to doing a set of lunges every single day. Whether you're at home, in the park, or even at work, you can fit this in. This isn't about going to failure or maxing out. It's about making a small, sustainable change that adds up over time. It's about building a solid foundation of strength and mobility. Proper form is key, so take your time and focus on each movement. Trust me, the results will speak for themselves. You'll notice improvements in your balance, coordination, and overall fitness. Lunges are a compound exercise, meaning they work multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This includes your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and even your core. This makes them incredibly efficient for building overall lower body strength and power. Plus, they can help improve your posture and reduce the risk of injury. Get ready to feel the burn and watch your legs transform. The more you commit, the more you'll see the benefits. It's time to level up your fitness game. Join us and let's make 2024 our strongest year yet. Let's face it, we live in a sedentary world. Many of us spend hours glued to our chairs, hunched over computers, or stuck in traffic. Our bodies weren't designed for this kind of lifestyle, and it shows. That's where the Do Lunges Everyday Challenge comes in. It's a simple yet effective way to counteract the negative effects of sitting all day. Daily movement is crucial for maintaining mobility, flexibility, and overall health. By incorporating lunges into your routine, you're not just building strength, you're improving your body's ability to move efficiently. It's time to break free from the chains of inactivity and reclaim your physical freedom. Section 4. Mastering the lunge. Now before you go jumping into this challenge, let's make sure you're doing lunges with proper form. Proper form is essential not just for effectiveness, but also to avoid any potential injuries that could set you back. It's crucial to prioritize technique to maximize results and prevent injuries. Incorrect form can lead to strain on your knees and lower back, so let's get it right from the start. Alright, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do a lunge with proper form. Follow these steps carefully to ensure you're getting the most out of this exercise. Step 1. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart. Engage your core. This will help you maintain balance and stability throughout the movement. Step 2. Take a big step forward with your right foot. Make sure your step is wide enough to create a 90-degree angle at your knee. Step 3. Lower your body until your right thigh is parallel to the ground and your right knee is directly above your ankle. Your left knee should be hovering just above the floor. Keep your torso upright and your core engaged. Step 4. Drive through your right heel to push yourself back up to the starting position. This engages your glutes and hamstrings, providing a full lower body workout. Step 5. Repeat on the other side. That's 1 rep. Make sure to maintain the same form and control on both sides to ensure balanced muscle development. Start with a manageable number of reps and gradually increase as you get stronger. Consistency is key, so keep track of your progress and aim to improve a little each time. Section 5. Unleash your inner athlete. Lunges aren't just about building strength, they're about unlocking your athletic potential. This exercise improves balance, coordination, and stability, making you more agile and resilient in all aspects of life. Imagine effortlessly conquering a flight of stairs, effortlessly picking up heavy objects, or sprinting after your dog in the park without breaking a sweat. Lunges target the muscles responsible for these everyday movements, making you feel like a well-oiled machine. They improve your mind-muscle connection, enhancing your body awareness and control. Get ready to move with newfound grace, power, and confidence. Section 6. Join the movement. So, are you ready to transform your body one lunge at a time? I challenge you to join the Do Lunges every day. Challenge and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Share your journey on social media using #DailyLungeChallenge and let's motivate each other. Tag me in your posts. I want to see your progress. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. Stay tuned for more exciting fitness challenges coming soon.